Alright, y'all, so we got a special package today. You probably can't tell by the wrapping of it, but let's get into it. I'm not gonna take too much of your time. I ordered these some Dicks, I'll let you know now. They didn't come in a box, they actually came in a bag. But what's important is what's inside the bag as opposed to the bag. So, right here. I'll let you guys soak in. Let you see what these are for a second before I tell you about them. See if you can guess what they are just by looking at them. The super fans already know, because these have been sold out for a while. Wait to get their hands on these. These are the Adidas Boost Adilette slides. These are black on black, or core black is what they call them. These have been sold out for like months in the black and white color pair. And I was like, man, I wish these came in all black. I'd definitely get a pair. And that's exactly what happened. These are a 10. They don't make half a size slides. I wish they did, because 10 and a half would be perfect. I may try to get these in an 11 before I send them back, because like I said, these have been sold out for quite some time. The cool thing about these is they are Boost and they are black on black, so they go with just about anything. And like I said, they are Boost. If you wear Ultra Boost or NMDs, you already know the level of comfort that you're getting with these. But I will say this, I was expecting a little bit more reaction from the shoe with a slide as opposed to what you're getting from the shoes. But at the same time, for $50, $59, it's not bad. I mean, I definitely would recommend these. Definitely try them on first. Like I said, I usually wear a 10, 10 and a half. These are a 10. These are like a little tight on my feet right around here, but you wear them a couple times, you'll break them in. But yeah, like I said, overall, these are this 10 right here. Do the Boost slides. Ready?
Yep.
Oh, I did that second one was the one.